So I'm working on this 2025 Mazda CX-90. I'm going to disconnect the battery to install the trailer hitch. And on mine I noticed that I can actually see the 10mm nut for the negative battery terminal. So I don't think I need to do anything but go in there with an extension, loosen that, and pop it out of there. And all I need to do, I think, is loosen that and flop it around in the back. And I'm not sure if it matters or not, but I went ahead and opened the trunk because I need to be in there, the hood, the hatch, and I'm also waited for the light to go out. I wanted to wait until the car had settled down and it quit pulling any current. So now I think I can just reach in there, loosen that. Yeah, I can get it to come off of there easily without removing any panels or anything. Now I just need to move it out of the way so it won't touch. I'm going to kick it back in the back there if I can. Yeah, it's disconnected. So now I'm going to reattach the negative terminal of the battery. You can kind of hear it coming to life. Make sure she's on there good and snug.